Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Our project title is Warehouse Management System. Now we are going to discuss about our project abstract. The warehouse management system handling the large amount of inventories. This system can be used to track the inventory of single store or to manage the distribution of stock between the several stores. This system make the record of sales and stock and provide the notification of low stock. The main goal of our project reduce the strain of tracking the inventory. The warehouse management is provide the advanced software solution for manufacturing, distribution and retail enterprises and third-party logistics. It helps to company minimization product placement strategy, periodize task, implement fair productivity standard and increase the logistic efficiency. This is our project flow diagram. I have to log in the three options for our project: admin, sales manager and warehouse manager. First, admin login of our project. The admin view the in and out transaction. It means import and export of project for their organization. Next, add the supplier details. Next, add the dealer details. Next, view the supplier details and dealer details. Then view the monthly reports. Finally, view the stock details. Next, sales manager to log in our project. Sales manager only view the in and out transaction. Next, view the stock details only. Finally, warehouse manager to log in of our project. The warehouse manager view the in and out transaction process and view the supplier and dealer details. View the transactions. It means export the product details. Next, view the monthly reports. Finally, view the stock details. Next, our project execution. This is login page of our project. I have three options to log in. First, admin. Give the username and password. This is admin home page. First, add the supplier details. Supplier detail is added. Next, view the supplier details. Next, edit the supplier details. Click the data, then modify the detail. Next, click update button. The data is updated. Or else click delete button. The data is deleted. Dealer. The dealer detail is added. Next, view the dealer details. Next, edit. Click the data, then modify the data. Click the update button. The data is updated. Or else click the delete button. The data is deleted. Next, import the product. Product name, refresh, upload the product image. The product is added. View the product, then edit the product. The date, click the update button, the data is updated, or else click the delete button, the data is deleted. Next, export product. The product is exported. View the export product details. Edit the export product details. Modify the data. Click the update button, the data is updated, or else click the delete button, the data is deleted. That is, view the transaction of import and export the product. First, click import button, the import product is show. Click the export Excel button, the data are given Excel format. Next, click the export button, the export product detail is show on table. Click the export Excel button, the data are all in give the Excel format. Back. The sales manager, add the sales manager details. Employee name, sales manager detail is added. View the sales manager details. Next, edit the sales manager details. Click the data, modify the data, then click updated button, the details is updated. Click the delete button, the delete is deleted. Next, warehouse manager details added. The warehouse manager detail is added. Next, view the warehouse manager details. Next, edit the detail. Click the update button, the data is updated, or else click the delete button, the data is deleted. Log out the admin. Next, sales manager detail add. Login. Enter the Gmail ID. Give the password. The sales manager only view the in and out transaction. Click the import. The import transactions is view. Click the export button. The export of product details is show. Back. Next, change the password. The sales manager change the password. Give the password is updated. Next, warehouse manager. warehouse, this is the warehouse manager homepage. The warehouse manager process is similar to the admin process. First view the supplier details, next view the dealer details, next add the product, view the product details, edit the product details, next export the product details, next view the in and out transaction, click the import button, import of product detail is shown, click the export button, export product details is shown, click the export Excel button. The data are given in Excel format. Next change the password. The password is updated. Log out the warehouse manager.